VLOGMAS Natural Hair Edition. Today, I am in a good mood, y'all. We are halfway through our series. I did a damn thing, y'all. I did the damn thing. Another reason is I did my last quiz for my assignment or my class today. And I don't know if I passed, but a win's a win, okay? A win is a win. I am in a very good mood today, y'all. Like, you guys cannot bring me down. Y'all can only bring me up from here. So, let's get into this vlog. So today I'm going to be doing a hairstyle that I saw on Pinterest. You guys, if you are a Naturalisa, Pinterest is your best friend, okay? Pinterest has thousands and thousands of hairstyles that you guys could choose from natural hair to weave to braids to anything that you guys want. So I was just strolling on Pinterest today and I'm like, yo, I want to do this hairstyle. It's a claw clip hairstyle. I seen it all over. Obviously it was a trend, but I just never got into it because my hair was always in braids, or I always thought it was a straight haired girl's like hairstyle. But then, like I said and I told you guys, 4C hair could do whatever anyone else's hair could do. So I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna do this style for you guys today. It was not in the books, but I'm like, you know what, forget the list. I had a whole list of stuff I want to do for you guys. I said scratch it, I'm gonna go with my gut and I'm gonna show you guys this hairstyle. This is essentially the hairstyle that I want to do. It looks so good on her, oh my gosh. So I'm so excited to do because I want to like see how it turns out. My hair needs to wash, but I'm gonna get a few more hairstyles before I wash this hair. Y'all know, if you guys are Naturalistas, you guys know we avoid, when I tell you we avoid washing like the plague, okay? So I'm gonna see if I can get a few more wears of this old hair before I wash it. And this is definitely a hairstyle that I want to try out. So let's get into the hairstyle.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so this is how my hair looks now. Because I flat ironed it, it's not as bushy as I would want it to be for this hairstyle. So what we're going to do is we're not going to comb out the hair because the crimps actually give the hair some type of definition. So what we're going to do now is, sorry, wow, it's so dry here. Oh my god, it's so nasty. But what we're going to do now is let's see how the hairstyle is. Okay, so we're actually gonna part the middle. Make sure it's nice and straight. We'll part it down to our ears. That's how she had it. So that's the line there, and then we could just put this away. I feel like I haven't done a natural hairstyle like with my own hair in so long, so this is very exciting. Then the same thing that we did on this side, we're gonna do on this side. Okay, so now what we're going to do with this back part is we are going to make a line at the back just to separate it into two sections. It's good enough. So that line actually does not have to be super straight because that's where we're going to have the illusion of our hair is being pulled up. So like I said, do not comb out your hair if your hair is crimped or on the thinner side, because the crimp actually gives your hair some type of volume. So I'm just gonna pull this to the side for now. And just braid this back. So now what you're going to do is you want to make sure that the line is actually in the middle. And now that I'm looking at it, it's not. You don't have to do a straight line. You can do like a zigzag or a curve. You can do whatever you want. I think I'm just going to do a straight line for now. You want to make sure that it's straight and it's clean and it's neat. What you're going to do now is you're going to take either, if you're going to use hairspray, jam, gel, whatever you want, and just slick these two parts down. Because I still want to have my hair to be kind of straight from my other hairstyles, I'm just going to use jam. This one is the Condition and Shine Gel Extra Hold. I'm going to use that in the front of my head and just slick down my hair on the two sides like this. So we're going to start off with one side. So we're just going to clip this hair back. Okay, so these are slicked down. What we're going to do is we're going to take a ponytail holder or scrunchie or whatever you call them. And then we're going to connect these two pieces to that back piece right there. Okay, so we want to make sure that it's slayed and slicked down and then connect it to that back piece. Now we're going to move on to this middle part right here. So what I want to do is I'm going to have some hair falling down in my face like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take two small pieces and just take it out of the puff. I think these two pieces are okay. Now what you want to do is you want to create your puff right, it could be anywhere. I want mine to be like kind of on top of my head, so that's where I'm going to place the ponytail. I'm just going to secure it. You don't have to add gel to it, but I'm just going to secure it just like here. Just like this. Ooh, it's looking so good. This is giving me like 90s vibes and I love it. Oh my god, I love it so much. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take your claw clip and then you are going to attach it to the back just like this. So I'll show you guys. Just like that. Just see if it's centered. Yes. It's looking real good. Now for these pieces, I'm going to add a little bit of gel and mousse to it just to define the curls. The mousse that I'm using is Aussie Miracle Curls. I got it from Walmart. I think I only paid like $3 for it. It's pretty cheap. And the gel, obviously I'm going to be using the Olive Oil Eco Styler. Curls better revert back. Alright, so now I'll be doing the edges. I'm going to just put that up here for now. I'm going to be using my 24-hour edge tamer. I got a sample of it from like BSW, so I'm just going to be using that. Oh, never mind. No, it won't be. It literally, like, I don't even know what that is anymore. But yeah, that's trash. I'm using my 24-hour E-bin. I'll be using the full-size one. And I'll be using that along with the Granula Snot. So let's slick these edges. For the finishing touches, I got some of these gold hairpins that I want to put on this side, and that's just going to help the front of the head, like right here, stay down really flat. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of pull it and then put the hairpin in. Ooh, that's the vibe. Honestly, put as much as you want. I think I'm going to put 2 on each side. Yeah. Do something slight work. And my hair reverted, so that's a good sign. This is the hairstyle. We done. I'll give you guys a 360. This is giving me 90s vibe. Like, I love it. Yeah. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments down below. But it's giving. I love it. Honestly, I like it a lot. This is so cool. And the hairpin, it just elevates the hairstyle even more. So like, if you see a hairstyle like on Pinterest or Facebook or Instagram or whatever, and you like it, put your own twist to it. Make it look different. Make it suit you. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's Vlogmas episode. I hope you guys enjoyed this actual natural hairstyle. I love it, as you guys could tell. And if you guys have not subscribed yet, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below, post notification bell, and thumbs up, because I am posted, or I'm trying to post every single day up until Christmas. I've only missed one day, and that's because I'm in school. But I think so far I'm doing good. This hairstyle is a bob. I love it. You guys, just hit that subscribe button down below and the thumbs up, and comment down below what you guys think about this hairstyle. I'm living my 90s era again. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys for your support, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode of Vlogmas Natural Hair Edition. Peace out, dog.